John O'Hurley. Hi there, John O'Hurley here with a big surprise for you if you are a Regent traveler. You're going to be coming from August 2024, and I'll be bringing my show, A Man with Standards, as well as one of the most popular chefs in all of America, Tommaso Barletta. He's going to show you some of the great gastronomical experiences, while I will be regaling you on stage with my show, a story of the songs and the music of the 1950s and 60s, surrounded by the stories of my life. Yes, and some of the strange things I have done, which includes singing Sinatra to Sinatra. You won't want to miss it. It's wonderful entertainment, and it's fantastic food. Oh, that's it for us, ladies and gentlemen. A big hand, please, for the Regent Signature Orchestra.